token action couplers, links, adapters done on Tinkercad. Individual parts right there. Tinkercad. It's a good free software. Suite. You can create some complex parts. Obviously, you need some practice. This took me not a lot. Actually, this part is about 5 minutes to make. Let me show you right here. I'm gonna unlink. See, that's a cube, and actually it's a hollow cube that you can see. But like I said, let's go back. So I finally made this. I didn't need it, but I have a few token action that need some repairs, and I have some engineer resin sent by a brand that I've been testing during the last week. So I need to do some stress test, see how it behaves. Obviously, you don't have to force the model to break it, but it's kind of a little flexible and strong, very solid link. Unfortunately, I only have in gray this kind of engineered resin. It's available on green shade. They don't have it in white. I wanted white shade. They told me they might work on it, but basically most of these are gray. You can see a lot of those. Anyways, here's how it looks with the supports. I forgot to tell you about. This is how it looks with the supports. They look with the supports. I left this on purpose for the video I'm making, and I made two batches so far. This part right here, I marked it. I forgot. It's not cured. Still shows some strength. Now these parts, once they are done, what I learned so far, you need to cure it and let it rest for 24 to 48 hours, so the polymers link everything and they make stronger parts. But yeah, so I'm almost ready. I'm just waiting for them to finish the process. I try to have them ready. I hope tomorrow. Yeah, I made this about let me see, this one 2 days ago. This one was yesterday. So like I say, if you want to make your own parts, Tinkercad, it's good. You can start making your own parts.